Welcome back to the vlog. It's your host Rob again. Today we're going to be looking at Kia's Sportage. Back in the early 90s, Kia released their first Sportage. This Sportage was very sparse, lacked a lot of features, very small, very boxy, pretty affordable, but it was a good vehicle. And over the years, the Sportage has evolved and become more complex, incorporating more safety features and technology, and it's really blossomed into a very nice looking car. This is Kia's newest Sportage, their 2018. As you can see, it's not as boxy, has some nice curves to it, but the features they've incorporated in this guy makes it not only a great vehicle to get around, but it also makes it fun to drive. Now, comparing this vehicle to the vehicle I just had on the screen, it's a big difference. It's amazing how far a car concept can come. Cars have changed so much over the years. Yeah, we all know that cars have evolved from a simple thing that was just a little metal box with some wheels on it. It seems nowadays that cars are changing almost every single day with their technology and their safety features. But it blows my mind how much a car can change from the 90s to 2018. Before we can understand how advanced Kia's vehicles have become, we have to go back in time and look at where we began. That's why today for our test drive, we're gonna go to Denver and check out the Forney Museum of Transportation. They have artifacts ranging from steam locomotives to Amelia Earhart's 1923 Kissel Gold Bug, a whole bunch of antique cars, motorcycles, and just some random things. So let's go check it out. Oh man. A lot of stuff. So yeah, if you're going to the Forney Museum, make sure to pack lightly. I just read on their website that you can't bring any bags. And this is my daily carry, but I just bought myself the perfect toy for this situation. So this is gonna allow me to carry just the GoPro and just the Canon. This is awesome, because now I just really lightened my load. So I was about to go into the museum, and then I got a call from my boss and he had to take the Sportage back because it seems like somebody wanted to test drive it. It's all good, not a big deal. They swapped me out with the exact same Sportage, but it has a different interior, the beige. I'm a fan of this. It's got these nice orange accents. All right, to the museum. Design and shape is more aerodynamic to reduce any wind turbulence, which in turn makes this a quieter ride. It's a very pleasant, smooth ride. Can't hear anything outside. And then the surround sound audio system, you've got 8 speakers around this whole thing. This thing bangs. With this panoramic sunroof, it makes it feel very open. This nice leather interior makes it very comfortable. I really do like this beige interior more than the gray one. For one, it matches my pants. All right, so we've made it to the Forney Museum of Transportation in Denver. Let's go check it out. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're test driving a Model T. Wait, what? Compared to a Kia, it's not good. You have no horn. There are no seat belts. Forget about heated steering wheel. Forget about climate control. Just throw safety completely out the window. Literally, there's no windows. There's also no windshield. Ugh. I'd also be very concerned driving this up a mountain without the all-wheel drive. Well, I must say this place is very cool. Lots and lots of vehicles. The Forney Museum was started in 1955. Started when they acquired a 1921 Kissel. This is a 1909 Model T. I like the lights on it. Yeah, now we got LED lights instead of lanterns. So I was talking earlier about the beige leather on the Sportage and how much I liked it. I think it'll hold up over the test of time. This, I'm not sure. So this buggy has full cloth interior, even on the roof. This thing's very cool. It's a 1936 Morgan Racer. This guy has 3 wheels and it's a 3-speed, but can you imagine how fast this thing went? It's fun to walk through a museum like this because you really picture yourself in that time. And of all these vehicles, I think I found the one for me. This is what I would be driving. This is a 1955 measurement bubble car. I would love this because it'd be easy to park anywhere. Wouldn't be getting many dates though. Actually, never mind. My date could fit in the back. Just goes to show you how much we take for granted the little amenities that we have in our vehicles nowadays. Like the panoramic sunroof. It's a great way to let a whole bunch of air into your vehicle, smell the outdoors. In 1905, this was their solution to fresh air into your vehicle. It's just totally open, it's air cooled. Nowadays we have individual climate control for each seat. With Kia's lane change assist, you have an illumination that pops up in your side mirrors. But this is not my idea of illumination in your side mirrors. Illumination is the side mirror. Right over here we have a 1917 Kissel, and then right over here we got a 1927 Rolls-Royce Phantom 1. This shouldn't be called a Phantom 1. I would name this the Gangster Wagon. I can just picture all sorts of mobsters in this thing. Big cars, very big cars. Ooh, look at the color of this. 1957 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. I'm very excited about this vehicle. This is the 1923 Kissel Gold Bug, purchased by Amelia Earhart in 1924. Look at this. This just goes to show you how cool Amelia Earhart probably was. You can't not be cool driving this vehicle. What a cool woman. As well as cars, the Forney Museum also has ultralight planes, helicopters. This is the big boy. This is one of 8 big boys left in the United States on exhibit. It is a steam engine. This is where you make the steam. Very cool. I think I could operate this. This is an early Denver tramway streetcar from 1906. I just love how cars were designed in the beginning. At first they were flashy, shiny, meant to impress your friend. As you go through the evolution of cars, things that change is they get shinier, more powerful. Nowadays, the driver is the focus, and the safety is the focus. I'm pretty sure if you were to get a wreck in any one of these vehicles, you would die. I think that about wraps up our visit at the Forney Museum. Let's head back to the studio, and let's talk more about the Sportage. This 2018 Sportage SX Turbo has 19-inch alloy wheels, Dynamics fully active all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter turbo gasoline direct injection 4-cylinder engine. Inside you're going to get a heated steering wheel, a large center console, voice command navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio. You have the rear camera display that's going to help you back up. You have a great sound system with the Harman Kardon premium audio system with 8 speakers, including the subwoofer. Again, you guys know my favorite part, the safety. You got autonomous emergency braking, dynamic bending light head beams, front and rear brake assist, lane departure warnings, and the blind spot detection with lane change assist. Well, I hope you guys got a lot out of today. I know I had a lot of fun. And if you like the content, make sure to check back, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this Sportage, go to I-25 Kia and make sure to talk to the car experts. Maybe get a test drive in. Till next time.